Yeah?
Have you felt them
I've gotten stung once. I mean, bitten once.
today?
Yeah.
They're not bad though, right? That's one of our tricks. Play on windy days.
I'm going to spray for mosquitoes.
Thank you. Fun times.
Yes.
You look like a Ghostbuster.
Alright, see you in a little bit.
Bye.
So I normally mix the garlic spray to the heavy infestation level, because on the bottle it'll give you two different measurements that you can use. So I always use the high one. When I start spraying, one of the things you'll notice is I always wear like long sleeves and gloves, because when you're spraying, the mosquitoes despise you, so they bite quite a bit. And I also put bug spray on myself when I'm doing it. I always start off by spraying near the house first, and then from there I move further out along the property line to spray. Basically, you want to spray any place where there's shade. So right along the house, because your overhang on the house will cause shade, all your landscaping, under your porches. And then I do the border around basically our pasture. So basically where the long grass starts, we do that. The one thing that's a little bit tough with this is you have to watch your weather forecast, because you're supposed to have 3 days of no rain after you spray it.
Cute hat, huh?